All right, everyone has their favorite belt, right?
No.
Like, you don't have a favorite belt? I have a closet full of belts. But I don't wear them all the time, so they're so stiff. One that's like 10 or 20 years old, and it's worn, and it's soft leather, soft, supple leather. Look at this thing. Look how worn out this thing is. But it's starting to come apart, and I should have had the belt guy fix it at the Berlin Mart yesterday, and I didn't. So I'm going to take some rivets, and Caleb and I are going to fix this thing. Let's see if we can't do this.
My rivet gun sucks, by the way.
Just get something that's going to hold it together. If I could get another 10 years out of this, that would be fantastic. Ah, the leather's so beat there. Let me just stagger it then. So we drilled holes in it, and then we're going to take rivets. We're going to rivet it together. So I'm wondering if I should put the fatter rivet on the outside. I'm not really worried about what it looks like. This belt is so comfortable. I've had it probably over 20 years. You're saying that the silver rivets fit better? I think so. We'll just have this. None of them fit?
This one may fit.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so we're going to put a little washer on there. And then we're going to get that. And then you can see this belt's got some miles and years on it. You ready, sir? And then the other part I'm probably going to have to sew. Okay? It's not grabbing.
Nope.
Go grab my gun.
Told you to set it. It was terrible. Where's yours?
It should be over there. It should be the little handheld jobber and the I don't know, somewhere over there. I'm shocked that this doesn't fit. The Harbor Freight jobber? Oh yeah, this one fits.
I had the smaller one on. No.
I didn't think it. Yeah, it does. I just checked it. I just checked it. This one fits fine. We're thanking you, Harbor Freight, for having affordable tools. We didn't say cheap tools. We said affordable.
This is Amazon.
Oh, you non-loyal motherfucker, you. You see that? Alright, so you do the pump action. Go ahead. Is it pulling in?
Yeah. Looks like it's gonna pull straight through the washer.
It shouldn't. Alright, hold on, let me check it now, because I probably just cut it. You think it's gonna pull straight through? I don't think so. No! And then I could actually tighten that up. So that one worked.
Yeah, you can just flatten it down with a hammer.
Yes.
Up. Up.
We'll still flatten it down with a hammer.
Up.
We'll still flatten it down with a hammer. Alright, let's do the same thing there. I didn't want to put like big gigundo rivets in it. Oh, you gotta spit it out.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna come out like that.
It's supposed to.
So that I could probably just flatten out without a washer, but I want the washer to have more bite. And then this piece over here, when I get home, I'll sew this piece back on.
Okay.
Ready? I should have spit on it, Caleb. Yeah, so, nah, don't do that. It'll start biting into it. Is that rivet still in there?
Yeah, that's you gotta.
The stalk. Shazam! So that one actually started to bite a little bit. So Kayla was right. We're just going to peen these over. I'm ready to go to work at the rodeo. I was gonna say, I bet my phone drops. Let the beat drop. Is that your fancy work?
Nope.
You were putting wheel bearings in the other day, and seals.
It's not
That's
me.
Definitely you.
That is not me. I don't use that hammer.
Somebody did. This thing wasn't me.
I don't use that hammer.
We need to get on it right here for some stability. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bam! All right, and then, like I said, I'll sew this when I get home, maybe. But look how beat this belt is. Look at how elastic this thing is. This is the best worn belt ever. What do you want?